just trading here. I'll show you what my plan is. Got this level here. Basically broke above, consolidate, break above. I really think we're gonna hold it, but if we break below that level, basically I'm done for the day. Not gonna trade anymore. Listen to some good tunes. Getting a workout in while we wait for the action to take place. It's been kind of slow today. Watch it like speed up and tank out here or something, but I really think we're gonna hold up. It's looking good. Unless we go another 5 minutes down here. Kind of a little bold flaggy action. Draw a little trend line. Oh, look at that. We're about to break it. We'll see. Drew a little trend line there. We'll see if we actually break and hold above it. I don't know. Like I said, I think we should. I think we should have some good action. This is midday trading. You just gotta find stuff to act on. I wish I could. I need to set it up so I can share my screen on the screen. Gotta figure that one out. Just consolidating though. Nothing exciting. The futures kind of gotten stuck here at 21,880. We don't want to break this 21,900. If we go back far enough, it's been since February. Well, June 5th for a second we broke above 21,900. But really staying above 21,900 February. That makes some sense why we whoa, zoomed out too much. Why we're consolidating here. And we didn't even 22,500, kind of the highs, 22,600. Nope, 700. That was in December though. Anyway, interesting to look back on charts. The 15-minute, huge consolidation here, honestly. 5-minute stresses you out a little bit. You just go bigger time frame. Honestly though, 5 minutes kind of looking good. 2 minutes to close on the 5-minute candle. If we close there, I like it. I like it. Or lows. Right there. So on futures, 21,852, the level that I'm hoping to hold. We're at 21,870, 69. Gotta turn up the music while I work out. So here's the thing. We either break lower or we break higher, right? Like, There's only two options. We consolidate like this for such a long time. I mean, earlier today we consolidated for an hour, and then we broke. We broke up to the upside like futures 60 points, which is a lot for today. Today, I mean, we haven't moved a bunch since open. We're only 65 points above open right now. Anyway, I figure watch the markets while I work on other stuff, right? My healthcare company, landscape company, and while I'm working on Monday's kind of office work day, while I work on that stuff, I can watch the markets, get a midday workout in, keep my mental clarity going. I'll figure out how to get these screens on the stream, but like I drew that trend line. I mean, I drew it early. We broke above, came back down under. This 5-minute candle opened above it. See if it holds. I'm not sure that it will hold. Kind of below it. If you adjust the trend line, there we go. That's a little pop there. I was gonna say, if you adjust the trend line to the top of that wick, this new candle is under the trend line, but looks like we just peaked above that trend line. It's not holding though. Again, I'm not too worried about it as long as we're above 21.853. I don't know how long it will be though, but we'll see. This music is from Rammer. Do you guys, anybody listen to Rammer? I just found him last week. I think that's how you, I don't know, Rammnor. I really like his stuff. Good vibe. Shoot, now I can't look at my workout because I'm live on here. I think I had like Bulgarian split squats or something. Get some squats. Maybe let's just do regular stuff. Imagine someone just popping in here, seeing me doing squats. There we go. Well, good little pop there on the NASDAQ. Futures. They look okay. I don't know. It's looking good now. Let's hold above here. Break through this 870s, 875. Not ideal if this closes red though. Got like a gnat on my wall. Don't love that close that we're coming up on. Really would like that to flip green. For continuation to the upside. Let's see it. I'll link below my futures company that I use. I use Apex to trade trade future. Excuse me. Pretty dang cheap. You can start a 50K account for $33 right now. 12:30 little price action there. Well, I guess New York time it's 2:30. See if we can get us to pop above. Could change the angle on this. Literally standing on my water bottle. Yeah, it doesn't want to. I don't know that I love that, but we'll go with it. Anyway, Apex. I use Apex. I like that. I like that action right there. We can clear this previous 5-minute candle again, break through the 875s. It's where we rejected last time, back down to the 860s. Tight range. Break out of it. Get some more squats. Let's go. Be back. I'm gonna go turn down my air conditioning and get a drink. Still consolidating here, huh? 865. That was not my whole workout you guys just watched, by the way. Okay? Still need to do more. Scared the dog. Oh, I didn't turn down the air. Hey! Stop it. That was me. Let's go. Getting tight. Tight range. Breakout. If I get like more energetic, the market will get more energetic. Let's go. Come on, market. To the moon. You know, I didn't think this through. I'm live on my phone. Currently not logged in to my brokerage on my computer. I have charts, but huh. Are these good tunes? I think I just did that wrong. No, we're good. We're groovy. Let's go. Day's getting long here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12:34 local time. Should I do workout wise next? Hey, Sam. Hey, Sammy. I guarantee second you walk away, market decides to take action. Always. Consolidating here for the last 45 minutes. Don't like that.
We were running on something so good for a while, but we let it go, let it go. And I met in the middle, I give you a little, you took it all, took it all. All those nights we had, say you want them back. I don't love like that. Now you're all alone, and I ain't coming home.
It's just so silly. Market is seriously just sideways. We're in let me shrink this down. It's not ideal. Need more screens. Like a 10, 15 point range here. Last 30 minutes. Ugh. It's disgusting. It's ridiculous. As they say, creates movement though. Builds up energy in the trade. You can definitely see it going to the downside though. It does not want to go higher right now. It's about to hit it.
Step out into dawn, you pre-till the lights come on, and then you
I don't like that. So let me show you what I'm seeing here. We're respecting that trend line pretty dang well. Staying below it. As I said, this level down here is kind of what I'm watching. We will see. I don't like that red candle though. Hasn't been ideal the last 15 minutes here. Do some more jump squats. Oh no! Market tanks out! Hitting that trend line I showed you guys. Not trend line, sorry, the level. Straight line. Oh. I am not built for jumping, I'll tell you that. Not ideal. Not ideal. Big red candle. Creeping below that level. Retesting previous lows. Sometimes you get a little tricky action here where it wants to fake people out and it's actually going to respect this level, but kind of need to move now if it were going to, honestly. I like the hold. Where we were consolidating before, it was right above Friday's highs. Kind of back into these Friday upper range here. Kind of at the top of the bodies of the wicks. We were above the wicks before. Ooh. As I said before, right? I said it looked like it was going to go down. Sure enough, came down. Futures. 15 points is all, but really, if we move down another 15, most likely going back to open on the day, which isn't 50 points, 48 points right now. Kind of a boring day. Stupid. Chart says we're going lower. I don't think we're going lower. I don't know. We haven't broken this previous break lower though. Like, at 1:20 New York time, Eastern time. Do I have to say Eastern time? Can I just say Utah time? Lows at 11:20 Utah time. About an hour and a half ago almost. Haven't broken those. Again, we are below that level though. If it breaks above this level, could be good. We need to, again, break out of that previous little range. It's been like this all day though. Testing, and just kind of a dud of a move all day, if you ask me. It's been okay. I mean, you can catch moves for sure, but not ideal. Not ideal. Gonna have to find a new playlist here in a few minutes. Sure, this will get copyright stricken, but that's okay. That is okay. Copyright strike for the 2 people that are gonna watch this. At least here at the end. I'd be shocked if anyone's at the 25-minute mark. Tomorrow I'll go live in the morning. I like to watch others, honestly. Others who trade, news. So it's kind of annoying. Maybe I need to have like earbuds in for them. Listening to that stuff and breaking above that level that I talked about. 21,853. The interesting thing is the body of these candles didn't really close below that level. Let me show you. So I'm not moving this level, by the way. But the body held, I mean, pretty much above. This body came back up. Now we're getting a good move, honestly. I like that. I like that movement there. That looks really good for longs. If you're already in a long, that looks great. If you're not in a long position, I'd probably wait again for that break of the 21, what did I say, 21,875. If we break that 21,875, the only problem with that move is you really only have a move till about 21,900. 900 is going to be a big level. If we break above 21,900, kind of got room to go, if you know what I mean. I like that though, making things move nice. We really got a break though here. I'd love to see 21,875 in the next 2 minutes. Well, a break at 21,875. I don't want to see 21,875 again. I want to blow through it. Kind of like we just did. $10-point run up in about 10 seconds, and I'd love to see another 15 points. I don't know what my phone battery is at. Ooh, good thing I checked. We're at 4%, folks. 4%. Gonna go get more water and a charger. I was gonna say I'm like a camel with my water, but
Stay shaped.
I don't retain water. I drink water.
Stay fresh, stay jumbo, stay high and dry.
Playlist is over. We're breaking above that trend line now, not the level, the trend line. Let's try. I haven't listened to this playlist. Let's try this one.
They don't know yet.
We're gonna get an ad.
Is a
I was gonna say I'm like a camel, but I actually have to pee all the time, like right now, after drinking 1 glass of water. My prostate's fine, by the way, okay?
Romy, and welcome to when you sell my platform, if you from Switzerland, make sure to check out my socials and my music on Spotify, as well as
Curious how this music is coming through on there, honestly.
chill and you can enjoy it anyway. And yeah, let's go.
Back under that trend line, unsurprisingly. Once again, touching that 21,870 and kind of coming back down here. 5-minute close. 10 minutes till power hour. Be cool to see highs into power hour. That would be ideal. I really gotta go pee. I'll be back. I'll leave the mic on. Holding that trend line. You know, there's a lot that I do on my phone that I forget that I do on my phone until I'm recording. I was messaging somebody about a free lawnmower. I don't know if there's anything more gratifying than free. It's the worst. People don't respond. They're probably like, that's the worst when people message me over and over. No, who cares? Let somebody else get it, whatever. Don't like that. Red candle bouncing off that trend line once again. Same action. Same story. I don't like this playlist. Let's go find the other one. Where's my other one? Steve Aoki has some good, is that even how you say his last name? I don't know. He's got some good tunes. Candle going back to break even, a little bit red now. Once again. Do, 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 do. Oh shoot, what playlist did I send? Yeah. I hope I didn't send. Oh, I don't like that one actually. I sent my buddy playlist. Breaking above once again here.
Hello guys, what's up? How are you? And welcome to this video. Beautiful, beautiful pizza. Make sure to check out the
You never said a word, you didn't send me no letter. Don't think
That's funny. Sent him the wrong playlist. He's like, I'll give it a listen. He's probably like, dude, what the heck? Really nice close there on these candles. Sorry, I was sending a message. So again, I'll show you here, breaking above that trend line. The level we held, like I said, the bodies didn't even break below. Headed above that trend line there. See what happens. If we can hold, whoa. If we can hold, so like I said, 21 in futures, 21,875 is kind of a key area to break through. Haven't broken through it yet. Just keep coming right up under it. Looks like we will. I mean, I'll be quite shocked with the break of this trend. Although, yeah, I mean, we're having a good break here. Close above, hopefully. Could reject though. We've rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other times today. So either it's the old knock knock where you knock a bunch and then it pops, or it's pretty stiff resistance and we stay below. Based off the action and volume and stuff, it looks like we're gonna break through though. Here, right below 21,875. Should get a good 10-point pop here. We'll see. There we go. Keep going. This is my favorite song of his. This is Rammer, M-A, no, what? R-A-M-M-O. I don't know that it's his song. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know. Some truth there, people. Beautiful. Oh no, what just happened? Above that 21,875. Hopefully hold. If we're gonna hold that 21,875, that's ideal. Again, should go up to 21,900 here. Should be, we got 2 minutes to power hour. This is setting up very ideal. Like power hour rolls around and typically you get a good pop in one direction, and typically it just follows the direction that you're going. So right now, I mean, we're 20 minutes green. But if we close red here, that's not good. We're not yet, but 1 minute left to close of this 5-minute candle. Ideally, we get a good pop. We're back below 21,875 barely. Again, let me, I'll show kind of what I'm looking at. I'll figure out how to get these charts on here. But, wow, why is that so dang close? Level. So that's based off hourly time frame. If you go look at the hourly candles, you'll see consistent rejections from there. Anyway, so level, well respected. Just drew a little trend line there just for some guidance up above, really. That's what I'm talking about, is if we close red on this candle in the next 30 seconds, that would put us below that trend line. That's not ideal. Not ideal. So ideally we stay above the trend line. for this close, and then power hour takes us into higher highs. I don't know the future, so I don't know. We're either going higher or lower, right? One of the two. Closed above the trend line, dipping back below the trend line for a minute on the open of that new candle. Power hour is here, and so is a new song. Oh, I haven't finished this. Power hour is bringing no action. We're only 30 seconds in though. Let's go. Coming back up to that 21,875 to test it one more time. Look at this guy. He's just a vibe. I'm liking this action that we're seeing. Again, that new candle held nicely above the trend line that I have there. Ideally, we stay above the trend line. Trend line kind of on futures. Trend line kind of be that 21,864. Which we're coming down to test. Really annoying if we go lower again here, honestly. I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. This day's just been so full of like, let's go higher, lower, higher, lower. The last three lowers though have been just higher lows, which is ideal for the bulls, right? Typically means we're gonna continue higher. You want higher lows. You're okay to have pullbacks. And I loved that test of the level. That's an intraday level too. That was a new level that we created just today. We were a little bit below that level on Friday with a level, and so today brought that level up just slightly. Again, target is kind of I don't know, 523.50 would be into new highs and very ideal. Sorry, that's on QQQ. Futures. Yeah, again, that 21,900, like if we could go up and test that and break through it, very ideal. I don't know that we will today. I could see us going and breaking that in the overnight session. Sometimes markets don't like to break levels. They like to do it without us. Now's the time though, NASDAQ. Now's the time. Let's move. We got to highs there of 21,878, 879. Rejected. Through the exact highs we got to last time we tested. It's just slow grind. It's fine for futures, but if you're in options, that sucks because you have time working against you, right? Especially if you're in zero day contracts in QQQ. Time is your enemy. Futures though, no. That's why Apex, $33. You get started with a 50K account. Trade some MNQ, and you can trade 1/10 of the size of a contract. So you learn way better. You don't have to lose a bunch of money. I mean, the max loss you're going to lose anyways, your $33 that you bought the account with. If you fail it, go get a new account for $33. Instead of going out to eat for lunch every day, just buy an account, I guess. I don't know. NASDAQ coming back down here. Retesting that trend line, breaking below the trend line slightly. Trend line's really kind of just an estimate. The level's pretty specific. The trend line I kind of just threw up. Show you again. Straight line on the bottom. Level, trend line. Kind of respecting the trend line, honestly, but I don't know. Ideally, we would keep going. I don't love. I guess we kind of pullback is kind of due after 5 green candles. I just don't love it. It's kind of like a sell signal a little bit on the 5-minute. Given I don't really care about 5-minute sell signal this late in the day, but you have the so current candle, previous, and then the previous. So 3 candles ago, you have that candle. Then yeah, I don't like that. The last candle is kind of an interior, candle. Didn't break out of the previous candle's high or low. The wicks. This one's obviously breaking below that previous candle. So kind of a sell signal. Typically you would pay more attention to that later in the day. Or earlier in the day, sorry. This late in the day, kind of would rather be watching a 15-minute for a sell, but also we're tested so many times this upper level. So annoying. Just kind of done with this price action. Anyway, if we can hold here, that'd be okay for a pullback. We really need said it before, we need to get above the 21,875 in the futures of NASDAQ. We broke above it for a second, but we didn't even close above it with a 5-minute candle. Closed well below it, actually, 21,870. And even lower than that on the actual candle that we broke. 2869, 68. Coming back up to that trend line that I drew. Anyway. I wish I knew how to see comments, if there were any comments. That'd be nice. I don't know where the comments are. I really gotta figure this out. Not on my... Oh, here. There are no comments. No, I don't know. Click something to show live. Chat viewing. Yeah, okay. I think I'm on. Yeah. I don't know. Just consolidating here, which is okay. I mean, I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna be off here probably in 20 minutes or so, but maybe not. I don't know. Maybe we sit through power hour. Might get some fun action. I'm done. I'm not trading futures power hour. No, no, no. Not for me. This is what we're made for. I am so bad with lyrics. I thought it was gonna say this is what we're made for. This is what you're made for. I was wrong. 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 It's a Donald Trump. Wrong.
This is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves. This is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she
Back above the trend line. 21,870 again. Knock, the old knock knock principle. The old knock knock. Who's there? NASDAQ. Let's go. I really just can't get it out of my head that this is gonna go higher. There's no way we sit and consolidate the rest of the hour. There is a way, but ideally we don't. We came down 5 minutes ago. We came down, tested below the trend, and we're popped back above. So really, ideally, we stay above this flipping trend. Ah. Back down to the trend line, 21,867. 5 minute candle on the verge of flipping red. Earnings this week. What do we got? Nothing. No, I don't know. Today, nothing. Ooh, that's fun. That's going in the calendar. GameStop. I don't know if you guys know the story about GameStop. GameStop is a huge retail investor. That's fun. That'll be a fun one. Tomorrow, 2 p.m. Utah time. Sorry, I don't know where y'all are at, but how do I add? Oh, like that. I can't do anything on my phone because the camera's on my phone right now. Oh, I'm gonna be busy tomorrow at 2. That sucks. How do I name this event? There we go. That's fun, dude. I wonder what GameStop's gonna do. I'm gonna do some research on that. Wow, big red candle below the trend, back down nearly to the level. Again, our level is at that 21,858. No, sorry, that's where we're at right now. 21,852. 21,852 is where our level is. Ideally, we stay above that level. I'm not interested in anything below that level, honestly. Oracle reports, not really interested. Adobe, they could be interesting. Coca-Cola on Friday, probably not very fun anymore. Not ideal, people. 3 red candles here. Just opened up red on this candle. Testing that level one more time. Potential higher low. We've had 3, as I said before, 3 higher lows now. 4. Kind of technically 4. But we've never come and popped these highs of this morning. 8:30 this morning, Utah time, Mountain Time. We hit highs. We've never popped those, so that's unfortunate. I am thinking about just saying this is stupid. Somebody. I'll show again where we're at here. Level is right there. Tested it many times. Trend line. Back below the trend line. Some messages here. It's funny, they live where I live in Utah and they have an Arizona number like I do. It's not common, especially for like a professional. Typically they change to a Utah number, I feel like. Somebody. 13 minutes here till the half-hour mark of Power Hour. And then we're gonna close out. Again, if you've never traded before, Apex, great way to get started. I've tried other ones. There's other ones out there that are great. Message me, I can give you some other inputs. Apex is just the cheapest, honestly. Most people, the reality is most people aren't gonna pass on their first try. So Apex is $33 for your first try. And $33 every time after that. For right now, it's on sale. And so other companies, they'll charge a one flat fee, and it's like $150. And if you pass, great. If you don't pass, you got to pay $150 again. Apex, you fail, you pay $33, and then when you pass, you pay, it's like $120. But that's when you finally pass and you can go make your $2,000. So it's like, I would way rather pay $33 and fail once or twice if I'm gonna fail, especially being new. I don't wanna go pay $150 4 times or whatever to try and pass an account to then just keep failing or whatever, you know what I mean? So, testing that level officially, not ideal. Gotta go pee again. Yeah, bah. That's what this price action makes me want to do. Blah. It's fine. It's slow. Today in futures, we've had a total range of from lows of 21,813 to highs of 21,892. Not even 100 points. That's absurd for NASDAQ futures. A whole day? No, that can't be right. What am I looking at here? Where's the open? I'm right that that's not right. Okay. No, that wasn't right. Sorry. Forgive me. We didn't go. What? I'm so confused. Sorry. Okay. Lows. 21,750. We're testing that level again. The 21,853. We're like right on it. Anyway, 21,750 to highs of 21,892. So 750. So 140 points. It's a little bit more reasonable, but still, I mean, we were moving 1,000 points a couple months ago. Ideally, a couple hundred or a few hundred points, you know? 140. There were a few moves in here, but if you didn't catch them, you didn't catch them. Breaking below that level. Possibly a new low. Possibly a new higher low, which is good for bulls, but running out of time again on the day. We got 39 minutes left to close. Sorry, spaced it out there. Found a message thinking about it. I am gonna go pee. We are at the level, literally sitting on the level. 21,850. I mean, below the level, but 2 minutes to close this 5-minute candle. I wouldn't be surprised if we hold the level. Like I've said before, I mean, it's a fairly strong level. We've held it twice before. Also wouldn't be surprised if we just tank out here, so it'll be a surprise when I come back. I'm gonna go pee. I'll be right back. Back. Holding the level. I'll show you the level. Again, level's right there, holding it almost perfectly. Trend line was there, had broken above it, back down below it. Wouldn't be surprised if we go lower. Ideally, we hold and go higher for the bulls, but we did come down and test below that level and we're holding. So 25 seconds to close that 5-minute candle. Should we stay or should we go? It's the question. 6 minutes to the half-hour mark. If you're trading 0 DTE on Robinhood, they're going to close you out at 130. Whoa! New 5-minute candle. Back down below the level. Most likely going to go down and make new lows. This is about the point in this set list that I get impatient. 30 minutes in. Skip ahead. Skip ahead! Market's just playing games. Not a ton going on. Down 20 points from the highs 20 minutes ago. Might get a little retest here. Let's go! NASDAQ. Let's have some entertainment here, buddy. Okay, we broke my previous trend line. Kind of got a steep trend going on here. Not really. I wouldn't call this a flag whatsoever. But I like what we're doing. I like what we're doing. Higher! 21,875 again. If we can get above that and hold, we are going to new highs. Could potentially just be testing to go back lower, but I don't think so. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, now 5 potential higher lows that have held. Without making new highs. We typically tell you the market wants to make new highs. Like I said before, very well could make these new highs in the overnight session. Very plausible. Very, very plausible. I bet last 10 minutes of the market, we're going to get a big pop, either up or down. If it's down, we're going back down to the open. If it's up, we're going to new highs. Probably popping above that 21,900 mark. But time will tell. Time will tell. That's the only thing that you can count on in the stock market. This is absurd. Kind of crazy. 20-point range here for the last hour. I'm going to go flat on any positions I got here. I don't really care to hold. You know what I am interested in? I told you guys before that GameStop was reporting earnings tomorrow, after hours. Would be interested in knowing what GameStop has done the last year on reporting their earnings. They've beat earnings the last 3 out of 4 times. Expected earnings. Q1 were expected much higher than last year, Q1. I bet their options are super expensive. Not bad. Oh, yeah. Not terrible, honestly. I would go for some like $35. Might be a little high, but puts. What are their puts looking like? Huh. Puts are cheap compared to interesting. So you go $5 out of the money on calls and you're 80 cents. You go $5 out of the money on puts. Why are they so cheap? Is it that sure that GameStop is going to go up tomorrow? I'm tempted just to buy one. I think they're going to go up is the thing. They're kind of a crap company though, honestly. They don't have any real business model anymore. We're gonna do a little. I mean, I'm putting nothing on this, like lunch money. You'll never know when the daylight comes, you feel so cold. You know, I'm too afraid of my heart to let you go. Waiting for the fire to light, feeling like we could do right. Be the one that makes tonight. Freedom is a lonely road. Under control. Waiting for the fire to light. Market doing absolutely nothing, sitting at my level that I talked about earlier. 21,852, literally on the spot. Last 15 minutes. Hasn't moved higher or lower. Tomorrow, I will go live in the morning. I'll figure it out. Like I said before, I like to listen to news, but I'll figure it out. I'll figure out a way to listen and for it not to be annoying on the stream. Apex. So I should have put it in the description of this and I didn't, but I will afterward. Apex, best way to get started in trading. Watch this go higher on the day. So dumb. Apex, best way to get started. $33. You can trade 50K. Make 20 or 20. You can make $2,000 off that investment. You're not investing 50K. You're investing $33 in the beginning, and then it's like $100 later on. So you're like $150 less into it to make $2,000. NASDAQ going higher, broke off that level that I told you about. How dare it break above without me now? Guaranteed. It always does. It always does. We never really broke below that level, so bye. Ideally, you're not out of a trade if you were in a trade. But could have been. Could have been. $23 minutes to close. Things are getting rowdy. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? But if you close your eyes, back down to the level. Here we go. Retesting. Same level. I need to really figure out how to get this chart on my screen. On the stream screen. As you can see, we had broken above. Back down, retesting the level that it so loves to stick around all day. Anyway, I feel like people go away when I show the chart. Maybe I need to not show the chart. Show my beautiful face. What's everyone doing? Trading, not trading? Did you trade already? Back below the level. So much for this level. What a sham of a level, huh? We've yet to close below it, to be honest, but we are below it. On the 1 hour, sorry. Looking at the 1 hour chart, we have not closed. Playlist is over. We're gonna have to find a new playlist.
Prep time.
I don't know what he's saying.
This is Russell with Russell Does Stuff. Welcome back to my channel. I work 6 hours on Monday till noon, 6 hours on Tuesday till noon, and if I don't get any of that stuff on Monday and Tuesday done, I'll do it on Wednesday morning. Then I have Monday afternoons off, Tuesday afternoons off, Wednesdays off, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Cool, Russell. Cool. Anyway, as I was saying before, Russell interrupted. Russell. The hourly candle, we haven't closed right below that level. If you look at that level, we've closed above it. I mean, I guess technically what created the candle closed below it, but after that, we've just gone up and above it. If we close down here at end of day, that would close below the level, invalidating that level and making a new level at on futures. I don't know what that, let me pull it up on futures. Wow, future, holy smokes. That's fascinating. Huh. Futures is quite a bit different than QQQ on the NASDAQ. But, and that's interesting. We have held that level hard. Huh. I should have looked at that before. No, I have, but not in the last like hour and a half. 21,872. We have held it like a rock. That is the solid roof that we have built. How many can, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we've held right below, 4 hours. For 4 hours, we've held right below that level. So that would be the new level tomorrow morning, 21,872. And we are tanking out right now. We are well below that level. Possibly going to go test opening print. Possibly. That can't be. What's opening on futures? What did we open at? I gotta go back to the 15-minute. $7.30, right? Yeah, we opened at 21, just below 21,800. Little discrepancy here between futures and NASDAQ, QQQ. Futures, we went well below opening print on that pullback earlier today. Am I on the... Oh, no. You guys, come on, just tell me that I'm an idiot, okay? Same, I mean, I was right on the open, but I was looking at the wrong pullback. Okay, much better. Yeah, wouldn't be surprised to see a decent pullback here in the next 15 minutes. Or flip around and go to highs. But we've broken previous lows now. We have new lower lows. Like I said previously, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 higher lows. We've broken the last one. We have nearly tested the one before that. And could easily see a continuation down. I am flat on positions. I have no position open currently. So just watching. Just watching. It does look like that level is going to become invalidated, though. And we have nearly 5 seconds That is a strong red close on that candle, on that 5-minute candle. Even look at, I mean, that's a strong 15. Like, if you're in a long, get out. I don't know. That's my opinion. Could bounce back and take it all back right now, but I don't think so. I don't think so. It's a strong red candle, 15-minute red candle. Strongest of the day since 9 a.m., 9:30. That was the only stronger red candle that we had. Everything else, kind of some weak action. Looks like we're going to get some follow through to the downside here. The best play today would have been that 15-minute orb, right? Lots of traders love it. 15-minute opening range breakout, right? ORB. You get that 15-minute candle set, and then you trade off that. Had you done so, I mean, right, you would have caught from open up to highs. Would have been a great trade. So you would have had to withstand a little bit of drawdown. Nothing too shabby though. Still a little bit. Definitely appears we're gonna retest opening print though. Definitely appears so. Got less than 15 minutes to market close here. Ouch. I need to figure out how to do this live stream better, like on my computer or something, where I can see more information. Because all I see on here is not much. I see there's a little person icon with a number next to it. That's it. I can't see who's here, what's going on. Nothing. That's okay though. I thought I was gonna go live for like 5 or 10 minutes. Here we are, 88 minutes into this sucker. Trying to get a free lawnmower, have fun working on it, and trying to get a free lawnmower off Facebook Marketplace, and the dude won't message me. He messaged me, and then he won't message me. He's like, psych? Actually, I had 5 other people message me, and now I've decided to sell it for $1 million. Oh, I was like, it looked like one of those big inflatable guys, you know, that blow in the wind. It's the like arm of a concrete pump truck, you know? Have you seen those? Anyway, going lower. Almost 10 minutes to close here. Strong red candle on the 5-minute, on the 15-minute. I mean, we're even putting in a pretty dang good 1-hour red candle here. So 4 hours red. Red is dead. That's what they say. That's what they say. Need some tunes. What's this guy? Chris Luno.
I'm done spending an obscene
I'm
amount of
done
money.
spending.
Get it done.
Factor. Meals. We don't want to hear about Factor. We want to hear music. I don't want to hear you talk. I want to hear you play music. I don't like his music. I don't know. It's okay. Ooh. Oh, where did it go? There was a great playlist I just wanted to play and it disappeared. Whoa. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. When we got 10 minutes to close. So we just went from here up to there, right? And that's the level. Testing that level once again. Wouldn't be surprised if we go lower. And this is just a little pop-up to stop some shorts out and go back lower. Maybe trick the bulls into thinking we're going to go higher. And we're not. I don't know. It sure looks that way right now. Baby. 1 second. We're back. Nice. It actually worked. We're back. Nice. It actually worked. I thought the live just disappeared. I thought it was gone. Eight minutes to market close here, testing that level, 21,852 once again. Crazy. We just keep testing it. I wanted a certain playlist that I saw and it disappeared. Not that one. Ads. I just need YouTube Premium. Then we won't have ads. There we go. Okay, here we are. 6 minutes to market close. Have not held above that level. Possibly going for new lows. I'm going to the bathroom and I will be back. 1 second. Dropping lower. Green to red here. Green candle to red. What did I say?
Yo guys.
Pop up.
Ramo here.
Take out the shorts, right? The bears. Hit all their stops. I mean, on a day like today, where's my cursor? On a day like today, we didn't have crazy price action, so stops would have been a little bit smaller. The stop, that was a 30-point pop to the upside, and now here we are back to the lows where we were. So you just stopped out every bear and tricked the bulls into thinking we're going to go higher with the pop on the 10 minutes to close. Anyway, and here we go. Lower lows. Drop it low. If I'm in a trade, that's the song we listen to. Drop it low. There's a lot of volume coming through right now, as per usual. The last few minutes here. 30 seconds. I'll be back. Look at that. Popping back to the highs. As in highs level. I literally just got an email that said my housing market is holding steady. My housing market has dropped 60 grand in the last month and a half. Holding steady my butt. Your housing market, zip code, is holding steady. No, it's not. You are wrong. Your little algorithm is very wrong. Let's go. Market. 2.5 minutes to close. It's party time. Hair's on point. Great song to end the session with. Let's go. Glad I did not sit through this price action the last 30 minutes. That's all I can say. Just questioning it, but I'm glad. Very glad. That was some bull crap. Bull crap if I've ever seen it. 2 minutes to close. Yes, making new lows. Dropping lower on NASDAQ too. Wow, ES tanking out. 1 minute to close, 50 seconds. ES is breaking very low, very weak. Difference in ES and NASDAQ or NQ. ES, the futures of S&P 500, top 500 companies, right? NQ, NASDAQ, top 100 tech companies, mostly. Very tech heavy. So NASDAQ is holding up a little bit better here. 20 seconds to close. S&P, weak. NASDAQ is following. And that looks like how we're gonna wrap it up here, folks. Big fat red candle. What did I say? Going back to the open. 2 seconds, 1. Barely above open is where we closed. It's game over. We'll be back tomorrow morning. I love y'all. Hope you have a great day.
When one of us gets
Went over to an ad.
we can help.
What a party pooper when that happens, huh? Back to the music. Anyway, tomorrow morning we're back. What time? 7:30 Mountain Time, 9:30 Eastern, 6:30 West Coast Pacific Time. We will be back with good tunes, good market recap, good market analysis, reading some price action. Anyway, have a great day. Got stuff to do. Peace. Love y'all. I don't know how to get out of this. How do I close it? Bye. Apex, get you a futures account. We're literally back to the open. NASDAQ, cancel. Opening print, we're dropping below. I told you, go back in the stream 100 minutes ago. Go back. I told you we were gonna go down below. I said it was a possibility. I wanted to go higher, personally, but anyway. Back down to open, here we are. We went nowhere today in the market. Take that in, absorb it, think about it, ponder on it. See you in the morning. Watch some YouTube videos, take some lessons. Get your trading plan together for tomorrow. That's the plan. Get some organization going. Beautiful day. Don't get down if you had a red one. Keep your head up. Life's too important to care about trading. Trading's wonderful, can be wonderful, but it can also be terrible. Don't let it get you down. Bye.